Hello, herb lovers! Are you ready to discover the vibrant green secret weapon that can transform your kitchen and your entire home garden? It's not just that unassuming green sprinkle you see on plates. It's the incredibly powerful and versatile herb we call parsley. Today, we're digging deep into the top 10 reasons why you need this incredible herb in your life. From its surprising hardiness and diverse varieties to its amazing health benefits and rich history, parsley is a true game changer. If you love unlocking the power of herbs, discovering natural remedies, and growing your own food, consider becoming a channel member. It's a great way to support our channel and deepen your herbal knowledge. Ready to fall in love with parsley? Let's get started. Parsley is incredibly forgiving, making it perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners. It's typically grown as an annual in most regions, but it's actually a biennial, meaning it can often survive mild winters in USDA hardiness zones 5 to 9, providing you with fresh sprigs well into the colder months. You can start parsley from seed indoors in late winter for an early spring harvest, or directly sow seeds outdoors once the danger of frost is past. You can also easily pick up a small potted plant from almost any garden center to get a head start. This resilient herb thrives in a variety of conditions, needing only well-drained soil and preferring full sun, though it will happily tolerate partial shade, especially in hotter climates where it likes a break from afternoon sun. Its adaptability makes it a low-maintenance superstar for gardens across many different zones. Grow parsley in a spacious pot on your sunny kitchen windowsill or balcony for convenient access, or plant it directly into your raised garden beds or in-ground plots, spacing plants about 6 to 8 inches apart to allow for good air circulation and growth. Parsley isn't just practical, it's genuinely beautiful. This herb comes in a few popular varieties, each offering unique textures and aesthetics that add a touch of lushness and visual interest to any garden or container arrangement. The tightly curled leaves of varieties like moss curled or forest green offer a distinctive ruffled texture, perfect for softening the edges of a pot or creating an attractive border. They're also excellent for garnishing due to their intricate appearance. Then there's flat leaf or Italian parsley like Giant of Italy with its broader, smoother leaves. This variety offers a more classic, elegant look and a slightly stronger flavor profile. Both types provide a cheerful splash of vibrant green, making them excellent edibles and ornamentals that look great all season long, even enduring cooler weather. Use the curly varieties as a decorative foreground plant in your perennial borders, or combine flatleaf parsley with colorful annuals in mixed containers to create stunning and edible displays that look great all season long. Beyond its culinary appeal, parsley plays a crucial role in creating a healthy, thriving garden ecosystem. When allowed to flower, its delicate, umbrella-like blooms are an irresistible beacon for a host of beneficial insects. These include predatory wasps, hoverflies, and ladybugs, which are natural predators of common garden pests like aphids, caterpillars, and spider mites. Having parsley in your garden is like setting up a 5-star hotel for your pest control team. By inviting these helpful creatures, parsley reduces the need for chemical pesticides, promoting a more natural and sustainable approach to gardening. This is especially valuable for organic gardeners aiming for a balanced and self-sustaining environment. Allow a few parsley plants to bolt, go to seed and flower in a corner of your vegetable patch. you'll observe an immediate increase in helpful insect activity, turning your garden into a buzzing hub of natural pest management. Parsley isn't just good on its own, it's a fantastic neighbor in the garden. It acts as a powerful companion plant, positively influencing the growth and health of nearby vegetables and deterring unwanted pests. Planting parsley alongside your tomatoes can help improve their flavor, while its strong scent is known to deter harmful insects like the asparagus beetle and certain types of flies from bothering other plants. Its presence can also create a more attractive environment for beneficial insects, as we just discussed, further protecting your crops without any extra effort from you. It's truly a silent guardian for your veggie patch. Try interspersing parsley throughout your carrot rows to deter carrot rust flies, or try planting it at the base of your rose bushes to help confuse and ward off rose beetles. Unlike many annual herbs that die back completely with the first hard frost, parsley offers a fantastic advantage. It's a biennial. This means in many temperate climates, if planted in the spring or summer, it will survive the winter. Your parsley plants can often weather colder temperatures, sometimes even under a light layer of snow, providing you with fresh sprigs when most of your other garden herbs are dormant or long gone. This makes parsley an invaluable asset for extending your fresh herb harvest season, allowing you to enjoy homegrown flavor and nutrients even when winter has set in. Just cover it with a cloche or frost cloth for extra protection in very cold snaps. You can step out into your garden in late fall or early winter and still snip fresh parsley for your holiday cooking or to brighten up a winter soup, a true luxury for any home cook. Now, let's talk about where parsley truly shines for many, in the kitchen. This herb is a culinary essential, with both flat-leaf Italian and curly varieties adding a fresh, herbaceous, and incredibly vibrant flavor to countless dishes across the globe. Chop it finely and sprinkle over roasted vegetables, stir it into hearty stews and soups just before serving, or mix it into marinades for meats and fish. Its fresh taste brightens everything. From the herby richness of Mediterranean cuisine to the zesty kick of South American chimichurri, parsley is a staple. Flat-leaf parsley is generally preferred by chefs for its more robust flavor, while curly is often used for garnishing due to its texture. Make a delicious parsley pesto or add it to your favorite pasta dishes. You can even blend it into dips or dressings for a burst of fresh flavor. Beyond just taste, parsley is an absolute nutritional powerhouse, punching far above its weight for a leafy green. It's incredibly rich in essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for your overall health. We're talking about a significant source of vitamin K, crucial for strong bones and proper blood clotting, vitamin C, a powerful immune booster and antioxidant, and vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, essential for healthy vision and skin. Just a small handful provides a substantial portion of your daily recommended intake. Parsley also provides important amounts of folate, which is vital for cell growth and DNA formation, and iron, crucial for oxygen transport in your blood. Blend a handful of fresh parsley into your morning green smoothie for an invisible nutrient boost, or sprinkle it over scrambled eggs, a baked potato, or a simple pasta dish to effortlessly enhance their nutritional value. It's remarkably low in calories, making it a guilt-free way to add a concentrated dose of nutrients to virtually any meal without altering the flavor profile significantly. Parsley is brimming with potent antioxidants, which are your body's natural defense against cellular damage. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules linked to chronic diseases and aging. Key antioxidants found in parsley include flavonoids like apigenin and luteolin, as well as carotenoids like beta-carotene, which all work in synergy to scavenge free radicals and reduce oxidative stress throughout your body. What's more, parsley possesses significant anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. The compounds in parsley can help calm these inflammatory responses. Regularly incorporating parsley into your diet, perhaps in a daily salad or as a fresh herb topping, can contribute to your body's natural defense system against both oxidative damage and inflammation, promoting long-term health. Parsley is a triple threat. It's traditionally revered for its ability to soothe the digestive system and act as a natural cleanser. Parsley acts as a natural carminative, helping to reduce gas and bloating by encouraging digestive enzyme production. Its mild diuretic properties also gently encourage your kidneys to flush out excess water and toxins. Beyond internal cleansing, parsley's high chlorophyll content makes it an excellent natural breath freshener. It neutralizes odors in your mouth and digestive system, providing a clean feeling after strong-smelling foods. Brew a simple parsley tea after a heavy meal to aid digestion and support kidney pathways, or simply chew on a sprig of fresh parsley after eating garlic or onions for a quick, natural breath boost. Parsley isn't just a modern kitchen staple. It boasts a rich and fascinating history spanning over 2,000 years, deeply embedded in ancient cultures. Its very name, parsley, comes from the Greek petroselinum, meaning rock celery, referring to its growth in rocky areas. It was initially cultivated not just for food, but for its powerful medicinal and symbolic properties. Ancient Greeks considered parsley sacred, associating it with victory and honor, often using it to crown athletes in games like the Isthmian Games, predating the laurel wreath. The Romans, well known for their elaborate banquets, famously valued parsley for its supposed ability to absorb strong odors and even counteract the effects of drunkenness, wearing sprigs around their necks during feasts. This long journey from sacred herb and ancient hangover cure to essential culinary ingredient highlights its versatility and deep connection to human civilization. Knowing its rich past can add a fascinating layer to your appreciation of this humble herb, connecting you to generations of gardeners and cooks who recognized its power and symbolism long before us. So, there you have it, the 10 truly compelling reasons why you need this incredible herb, parsley, in your home and thriving in your garden. From its amazing ease of growth and beautiful varieties to its nutritional power, its support for digestion, and even its fascinating historical uses, this unassuming green powerhouse is an absolute must-have. If you enjoyed this video and found these insights valuable, and you want to continue learning more about the amazing world of herbs, natural living, and sustainable gardening, then you absolutely need to become a part of our community. Don't forget to subscribe to the Herbal Keys right now and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Join our growing family of herb enthusiasts, and let's unlock the powerful secrets of nature together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.